Hey you guys, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. Yay, thank you. We're at 765. So I got like 235 more to go. Whoop, whoop. Thank you so much. I think the main what got people on here was this one picture I posted of Cupcake. And yes, Cupcake is so much part of my channel. But one reason I started my channel was because I like to cook. I love to eat. I like to garden and just like almost show random things on my YouTube. But if you see some videos that I posted some history videos, African American history videos of my siblings' careers and other videos of gardening and maybe Cupcake. And I would really like if you engage with those, click like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a subscriber, mwah, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the content that I have bringing out for you guys. And also, if you're a subscriber, like I said, please engage in those videos. I'm on, so excited. If you're watching this video today, I am down 10 pounds. If you know my medical journey I've been going through, and it's just changed a lot. I might make a video about that. So comment down below if you want to hear about that video. And then you better give it a like, comment, and subscribe. So I really appreciate you guys. I've been on YouTube for like 5+ years. Maybe a decade. I've been on YouTube for so long. But I really haven't, like when I was working, I have a story of my medical. Well, I'm not working. I wasn't able to post so many videos and stuff. It was just like hard, you know, coming off work late at 5, 6 o'clock. You know, it was just hard. But I have more time to post more videos of my Cupcake. And I really would like, you know, help engagement, help support my page. So I really would like that. So thank you so much. And so don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and comment down below what would you like to see more. I'm going to obviously keep posting videos of Cupcake, but I really like to engage and to maybe talk about my weight loss continuing journey, more gardening videos. If there's no spiders out there, then yeah, I'm going to do my videos. Cooking, I've been doing more healthier choices, cooking. I've been posting pictures because I see that I get more likes when I post pictures than the videos. So if you want to see some videos of me cooking, like I live, like, you know, it's hard for me to focus my camera because my house is blessed. I'm blessed to have a roof over my house. My kitchen is like so small. My camera be fall into my flour. It's just extra. So, but you know, if you want the recipes, comment down below of what I made. I'm trying to do more protein, lose weight. I'm down 10 pounds. I got 30 to 50 more to go, but I can do it. I've totally changed my mindset, especially when I have stressors in my life. I've totally changed that. No more. I'm trying to say no more snacking. Eat that protein, full of proteins to stay full. I hopefully that I'm gonna have mental stress a lot since my medical journey, but hopefully taking breaths, going out in the sun. It's cloudy today, giving thanks to God on a daily, reading a prayer journal, anything to focus my mind off of all my worries. So thank you. You know, I have so much to say, but I'm going to see how this video do. So comment down below if you want to see some recipes. Comment down below if you want to see some more gardening. Comment down below in my history videos if you watched them, what you like. And I always say positive vibes. I don't mind criticism, positive criticism, but no negative vibes, you know, no negative vibes. So please help me get to 1,000K and support my channel. If I get to 1,000K, it's gonna be like amazing, but I still need that support. So please keep supporting by liking, commenting, and get me into that YouTube algorithm. And hopefully I can get a check for 15 cents. Mwah. Thank you. Bye.